Ajaxar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss electrostatic potential and capacitance. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Potential and its relation with the field. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. Introduction. Let us see. Electrostatic potential at any point in an electrostatic field is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So, electrostatic potential nothing but electrostatic potential at any point in an electrostatic field is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So, work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. It is numerically equal to work done or electrostatic potential energy per unit charge. So, electrostatic potential is a physical quantity which determines the flow of charge from one body to another body. Now, electrostatic potential governs the flow of charge between bodies and it is degree of electrification of a body. Next, V is equals to W by Q. So, that is U by Q. Units of potential is joule by coulomb or volt. So, dimensional formula is m1 L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1. Now, potential difference. Potential difference between any 2 points in an electrostatic field is defined as work done to transfer unit positive charge from one point to another or difference of electrostatic potential energy between the points per unit charge. Here potential difference nothing but work done to transfer unit positive charge from one point to another or difference of electrostatic potential energy between the points per unit positive charge. So, dV is equals to W by Q, that is equals to du by Q. Now, electrostatic potential due to a point charge. Let us discuss. See here, this is the point charge and P is a point of observation. This is the point of observation is in its electric field. Now, let a unit positive charge of 1 coulomb be placed at a point P in its electric field. Here is a point, we placed a point charge and that is unit positive charge we placed at a point in an electric field. The electrostatic force between the point charge and unit charge is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 1 by x square. So, F is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square. X is the distance. So, consider it is equation number 1. Now, consider small work done dW for displacing by an element length dx at a distance x from the point charge against the field is, now dW is equals to minus F into dx. So, now we are integrating this equation. Integration of dW is equals to minus integration of from infinity to r 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square into dx. Now, dW nothing but integration of dW, W. So, W is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integration of infinity to r x to the power of minus 2 into dx. Here, integration of x power n dx nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, applying this formula here, W is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 limits infinity to r. So, work done W is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into x power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 limits infinity to r. So this can be written as minus of minus plus. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by x limits infinity to r. Now W work done is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, applying the limits 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity but 0. So work done W is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So we know that work done on the unit test charge is called electric potential. So this is the electric potential. Now here electric potential V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So V nothing but here potential at r distance from a point charge. This V r nothing but distance, potential at r distance from point charge. So electrostatic potential due to a point charge Vr is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Now electrostatic potential due to multiple charges, let us discuss. Consider system of charges q1, q2 and so on qn with position vectors r1 bar, r2 bar and so on rn bar relative to some origin. v1, v2 and so on vn are the potentials at p due to charges q1, q2 and so on qn respectively. So here is a point p and charge q which is at a distance r1. Now another charge q2 which is a distance r2. So one more charge q3, it is also at a distance of r3 bar. Now electrostatic potential due to multiple charges. Since potential is a scalar, the above potentials are added at the point P. So therefore net potential V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on Vn. So therefore V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by r1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q2 by r2 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q3 by r3 plus and so on. So hence this can be written as V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is a common. The remaining terms are q1 by r1 plus q2 by r2 plus q3 by r3 and so on. So V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma I is equals to 1 to n qi by ri. This is the electrostatic potential due to multiple charges. So V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma I 1 to n qi by ri. So electrostatic potential due to multiple charges is V. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma 1 I is equals to 1 to n q I by r I. Now relation between electrostatic potential and electric field. Now discuss. Here is a point charge plus q and A and B are the points on this, and which is the distance, it is point q at a small dx. Now first we will discuss integral form. Let A and B are 2 points very close to each other in an electric field produced by a positive charge q at O. So let q be the test charge placed at A. Here A and B are the 2 points very close to each other in an electric field produced by this positive charge q at O. Here this is the small charge, it is test charge, q be the test charge at A. Now work must be done to bring test charge from point A to point B through distance element dx. So therefore W is equals to F into dx. This is considered as equation number 1. But F bar is equals to minus Q into E bar. Consider this as equation number 2. So substituting equation 2 in equation 1, we get dW is equals to minus QE into dx. This is equation number 3. So consider dV is equals to dW by Q, that is equals to minus E bar dot dx bar, that is equation number 4. So therefore V is equals to minus integration of A to B E bar into dx bar. So integral form of electric potential and field is V is equals to minus integration of A to B E bar into dx bar. Now second case, differential form. Potential difference dV is equals to W by Q. Consider this as equation number 1. But W is equals to F dx, that is F dx cos 180 minus 1. So minus F into dx. This is equation number 2. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1, we get dV is equals to, in the place of W we are writing minus F into dx. So dV is equals to minus F dx by F into dx by Q. Consider this as equation number 3. Now, but F is equals to QE. This is equation number 4. Substituting equation 4 in equation 3, we get dV is equals to minus QE dx by Q. So, Q gets cancels, that is equals to minus E into dx. So, therefore, E is equals to minus dV by dx. This is the differential form. So, differential form of potential with electric field is E is equals to minus dV by dx. So, electric field intensity at a point is equal to the negative gradient of electric potential at that point. So, electric field intensity at a point is equal to the negative gradient of electric potential at that point. So, electric potential energy of test charge between 2 points now discuss. So, here we are taking the charge Q. Here Q naught is the test charge and dx be the element displacement at dx x, dw be the work done and F be applied force. So, it is the positive charge and it is the test charge Q naught which is placed at A, and dx be the element displacement at distance x, dw is the work done and F be the applied force. So, we know that dw is equals to minus F into dx. Here minus nothing but negative sign. Negative sign indicates that work is done against applied field. So, integration of 0 to W dw is equals to minus A to B, integration of A to B F dx. So, integration of dw W, that is equals to minus integration of A to B F bar dot dx bar. So, but F is equals to E into Q naught. Substituting this in this, we get, so W is equals to integration of A to B minus E Q naught into dx. So, W is equals to integration of A to B minus E Q naught into dx. Now, this minus Q naught here, this can be written as W is equals to minus E Q naught integration of A to B E into dx. Now, W is equals to Q naught into V. Since V is equals to integration of minus integration of A to B F into dx. So, W is equals to Q naught into V. So, this work done W is stored in the form of potential energy U. Hence, U is equals to Q naught into V. Now, I'll discuss MCQs. Electrostatic potential represents status of charges and status of forces, status of kinetic energies, none of the above. So, this is the status of charges. Electrostatic potential represents status of charges. Now, next one. Electrostatic potential is dash quantity, vector quantity, tensor quantity, scalar quantity, none of these. Electrostatic potential is a scalar quantity. Okay, so this electrostatic potential is a scalar quantity. Thanks for watching this video.